This was after the installation a month ago. Everything was apparently correctly installed. A month later, these are the batteries. Everything on. Just it is not working, but everything is on. We go outside. We see the inverters. Everything very neat installation, but it doesn't work. It never work. Look at the warning LED at the on the inverter. Tesla just don't know. It is full sun outside, zero 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 solar power. I have the PTO, the permit to operate. FPL changed the meter for metering just after the installation. Basically, they took 1 week to after installation to put the new meter. So I have PTO, but never power. This is just for you to see. Zero from solar. Everything being provided by by FPL in my case, Florida Power Light. I access the home gateway directly to make sure, but yeah, zero kilowatt from the solar panel.